You know, it's really funny and ironic when you become or you just start wanting to make videos on the internet and you give your favorite content creators a lot of because they don't upload a lot, and then as soon as it's your turn and you do the same thing, it's just like, wow, like dang, I gave them so much stuff and here I am doing the same thing. Point is though, I'm back. It's been, I don't even know how long. It's been so long. I don't even remember the last time I charged my mics. Like it's been a long time. But the video I'm dropping right now is a video from 2 3 months ago. This was back in August. This was a severe thunderstorm event. There was flash flooding involved, and I got some pretty decent footage. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just a little storm chasing video, nothing too crazy. So I hope you guys like it. Um, I know sometimes people would be like, "Oh yeah, what happened to your videos? You still make videos? You still make videos?" And I'll be like, "Yeah, I'm gonna drop a video this week. I'm gonna drop a video today." And I never did. I'm actually gonna try to drop more videos this week. That boy lying on everything I love. He's lying. I don't know where I'm getting these false accusations from, but whoever said that, they don't even know what they talking about. I'm actually gonna drop a video. I'm gonna stand on this. I'm gonna drop a video this week. So be ready. But until then, enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you, and I will see you later. Goodbye. Okay, so just in case you're looking at this map and you don't have a clue what this is, I'm going to tell you, just give me a second. This is what you call a thunderstorm outlook. And what this tells you is the likelihood of a thunderstorm happening within 25 miles or so of a point. And it goes by different percentages. So you have 40%, 70%, and 5%. I get that right? So moving past the mistake I made on accident, here we have the excessive rainfall outlook for that day, and this is what the parameters were looking like. If you zoom into where I'm situated, okay, actually, wait, zoom in a little more, you'll kind of see that there isn't really much rain forecasted for that specific area. However, this was far from the case, as you will soon see. Even though that the action wasn't meant to kick off until the sun went down, there were still around the storms that came into the area, and they set the tone pretty early. There was one specific storm that came in, and when it came in, it looked really dark and ominous. Like I remember I was driving into the storm and the sun just disappeared. I mean, it just vanished. And I took photos while I was driving. I'm like, whoa, this looked like something serious. But it was a bluff. It wasn't really anything that serious. Things didn't really start to kick off until the sun went down. Yo, somebody screaming?
What?
No, I heard a scream. But the street looked like a river right now. And if you see over there, take. Oh, you don't got shoes on. Okay, good. You see right there? Look at that. All you see is water.
Is that from the pond?
I think no, I don't think it's from the pond, but it's starting to get that high. Yeah, it's gonna overflow. Yeah, you could really see it.
You were brilliant in telling Auntie the young to move her car.
Yep,
Wow, that's wild.
set a flash flood warning. Oh my goodness. It's coming down. Damn. You can see the lightning everywhere. Oh, yep. That's my cue. Thunderstorms. Give me another one. Oh, damn. You got trash day today too? Or tonight? You got trash night tomorrow?
That was the water.
Oh, look at his car.
Well, what just happened?
He just tried to drive into it.
What made him think we can do that?
I have no idea. Probably couldn't see all the water.
Yeah, turn around, sir, please. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I didn't park all the way over there. You parked over there, didn't you? I parked right there, yeah. No, it's 5 in the morning. Huh? 5 in the morning.
It's gonna keep raining?
Yes. It's gonna rain 3 inches per hour.
Are you serious?
Yes. Till 5.
For the next 7 hours?
Really?
Yes.
So at some point,
That's 10 inches.
No. For 7 hours, it's 21.
we need to leave at the same time.
Oh shit, yeah, you're right. Yeah.
What?
No, it is 21. Oh, that's a lot of rain. 21 inches of rain.
It's not gonna stop?
No, it's not gonna stop until 5. Oh my gosh, no, this is gonna look bad soon.
Okay. So, this is what I'll do. Jordan, come
I don't even know if they're gonna have trash day tomorrow because of all this rain.
No, Ryan, they're gonna have. Look,
No, they're gonna cancel it. It's gonna be a national holiday.
You know what?
It's not even. I don't even think it's worth it at this point.
Ryan, you just don't want to take the trash out.
I don't. Cause look at all this. We're in a flash flood. I could have. But I was trying to iron all my clothes.
Oh, I cannot wait to get out of this state.
Yeah, this bipolar ass weather, bro.
7 more hours. 11, actually.
You're gonna miss it.
Yeah, if I don't miss this weather.
Yeah, you're not gonna miss this weather at all. Damn! I got that on video. Let's go. Yeah, that was the lightning I was talking to you about.
The negative strike?
No, the fork lightning.
After staring at the rain from the porch, we went down to ground level to see how high the water was, and by the time we went down to where we had parked, this is what it looked like.
This is my first ever chase in the SWIV, you know? I've never done this before. This is a great feeling, bro. Like, oh my goodness. First ever chase, man. First documented chase. And it's a storm. It's an MCS where I'm living. It's already been crazy lately, though. All the floods that have been going on. All the insane lightning. All the heavy rain. I haven't seen much wind gusts, though, which is good, but man, I knew it was gonna be bad, but goodness, this is starting to become a pretty crazy storm. And before, I should have known it was serious too, because night was turning into day. This is crazy. The day was turning into night. Sorry, tweet. I don't know what I did, but yeah, bro, this storm has been no joke.
Okay, so that is the conclusion of the storm, at least from what I experienced. For it to have occurred within a 5% flash flood risk and within a marginal risk for excessive rainfall, and for it to dump that much rain and have not only like that much rain, but drop 3 inches of rain per hour, that's pretty unheard of. And I don't know what it is, but it's just like there's been a lot of moments where storms have just been underestimated, or storms have occurred within areas where it wasn't necessarily favorable for rain or for excessive wind gusts or for even like a few tornadoes or two. And time again, these storms have gone on to defy these odds. I don't know if that's just been a reoccurring theme this year, but I digress. Um, Overall, like the impacts that I experienced, that was all the footage I could get. There were also other damage reports of what happened across Illinois, because it was a part of a larger storm system, and that wasn't necessarily like the strongest part of it. So we got a lot of rain, but there were some instances of tree damage. So I'm gonna go and read these damage reports real quick, and I will show you what happened. So yeah. Okay, so the first damage reports bring us to DeKalb, Illinois, which is all the way in northern Illinois. Okay, so these indicators actually highlight the fact that this storm was a lot stronger in terms of producing wind in the northern sections of Illinois as opposed to where it was in Naperville. So, looking at Stevenson, Illinois, which is a community in northern Illinois that is not from DeKalb, there was a similar instance of tree damage occurring, only that the tree damage was so significant that it was actually blocking off roadways. So, there was a reoccurring theme with strong winds in northern Illinois as a whole. Okay, so basically, apparently, the storm just wanted to ditch me. This was in Macon, Illinois, which is actually in southern Illinois near Champaign. And there were extensive reports of damage, extensive reports of property damage, not just tree damage. So it's just like I got the short end of the stick again. There was significant damage done by the storm in southern Illinois, and I wouldn't say significant damage in northern Illinois, but the winds were so strong that it knocked down trees. So apparently, I missed out again. So since you made it to the end, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I know it's been a long time since I've dropped a video. I'm gonna try to drop some more. I'm gonna try to drop one more this week, and I'm just gonna try to keep going. I still got a lot to cover. I know I still got to cover the snowstorm that just happened up here. I know I still got a lot to do. I know. I'm gonna just get to it. No, I've missed a little bit. I'm just little by little. Just work with me, okay? I'm gonna try to get as much as I possibly can to get done. But thank you for watching this video, and have a great rest of your day. And this is me signing off. So goodbye, guys.